Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reorder questions and sections in Google Forms. This is an incredibly useful skill when you're building surveys or questionnaires and need to reorganize your content flow for better clarity and user experience. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This will bring you to your Google Forms dashboard where all your forms are stored and ready to edit in your Google Forms dashboard. Look for the section labeled Recent Forms. This area displays the forms you've worked on most recently. Click on the form where you want to reorder questions and sections. This will open up the form editor, giving you full access to make changes. Now, let's say you want to organize your form better by adding sections. Click on the question where you'd like to add a section break. Once you've selected it, navigate to the right panel where you'll see various editing options. Click the Add Section button. This creates a new section in your form, helping you group related questions together for a more logical structure. If you need multiple sections, simply repeat these steps to add as many as you require. Sections are great for breaking up long forms into manageable chunks, making it easier for respondents to complete. Now comes the fun part, reordering your questions. To move a question within your form, locate the 6 dotted line icon on the left side of the question. Click and hold this icon, then drag the question to your preferred destination. You'll see it move in real time, allowing you to place it exactly where you want it. This drag and drop feature makes reorganizing incredibly intuitive. Moving entire sections works slightly differently. Click on the section you want to relocate, then navigate to the 3 dotted lines icon within that section. Click on it to reveal a menu. Then select Move Section from the options presented. You can customize how sections are reordered by clicking either the Move Section Up button or the Move Section Down button. These options give you precise control over section placement. Once you've positioned everything exactly as you need it, click Save to preserve your changes. Finally, it's always smart to test your form before sending it out. To do this, click the Preview button located in the upper right panel. This opens a live preview showing you exactly what respondents will see, allowing you to verify that all questions and sections flow logically. And there you have it, you've successfully reorganized your Google form to create a more structured and user-friendly experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.